I'm happy to see that Coimbatore is making a good attendance for this conference. I know earlier Coimbatore is the industrial hub as well as a renewable energy hub and technology hub. Big institutions like ASA, all of them. My dear friend asked me a question about Tamil Nadu. Since I am from Tamil Nadu, I am both in business and politics. I am answerable for all your doubts and clarifications. First of all, in Tamil Nadu, you please remember Madam Jayalalitha was there. The commitment was given to go for a 20 gigawatt long back. Unfortunately, sorry to show this, my friend Ms. Narasimhan from TEDA is there. Nothing has been achieved because of various reasons in the political war of Tamil Nadu. Our Tamil Nadu lost that momentum. Rajasthan is first, Gujarat is next, even Karnataka bypasses. We are unable to reach any target expected by the public and from the industry and across the country also. Though we have a lot of plain lands, educated, empowered labor, a lot of drawbacks are there in Tamil Nadu, that is why grid connectivity is very poorest, the infrastructure and transmission lines are very poor. I am not blaming any particular political party. It is the fate of Tamil Nadu having a Dravidian rule. All you know very well. Earlier, what was happening for the PPA and what is happening for the getting a grid connectivity. This kind of issues of Tamil Nadu has to be handled politically and the determination of the clients like you, not to observe any corruption in politics and even for getting any grid or any support from the government. It is the responsibility of the particular government to support the renewable energy.